a score of 28. Monster Jam fans, what a picture-perfect moment right there to get on your smartphones, take these pictures, and here he comes out from behind. Get those photographs, put them on Monster Jam Facebook. Ladies and gentlemen, as he holds up his trophy right here, let him hear it. Chad Tingler, Greg Digger. This. First of all, a very, very strong field of monster trucks. Seeing David Bradshaw take the lead, amazing that you came out on top. Congratulations.
Yeah, absolutely. Every one of these guys, man, I've been around with a lot of these guys here before, man. Wow, you know, what the future of this sport holds is unbelievable, man. Everybody thinks we've kind of plateaued, we're not going to get any higher. Don't count us out, because there's a lot of young talent here, man. We're keep racing this business higher and higher.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,
yeah, I want to give a big thanks to this guy right here. Come on over here. He's been standing in the shadows of Dustin Brown for the longest time. You know, he's been helping out Dennis for what, 5 years now. Dustin's been getting a lot of credit for a lot of this stuff. This guy's been right here behind the scenes for that. This guy's my coach this year. He's the reason why I've got this. I kind of know stuff in racing, you know, that love playing was tough, but I gotta thank this guy right here, man. The shops are actually working tonight.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We want to thank everybody for coming out.